Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to fix the issue of no sound when connecting HDMI to your TV in Windows 10. Let's get started. First, right-click on the Start icon and selecting Command Prompt, Admin from the menu. Then, type the copy this command, which I will leave it in the video description. This will open the Audio Troubleshooter window. Follow the on-screen instructions to let Windows detect and automatically fix any audio issues. After the process is complete, restart your computer. If that didn't work, open the Start menu and type Device Manager into the search bar, then click on Device Manager. Next, expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controller section and right-click your audio device. From the context menu, select Update Driver, then choose Search Automatically for updated driver software. Wait for Windows to search and update your audio drivers. Once the process is complete, your drivers should be updated. If the issue persists, you can also click on Search for Updated Drivers on Windows Update for further updates. If that didn't work, open the Start menu and type Device Manager into the search bar. Then click on Device Manager. Next, expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers section and right-click your audio device. Right-click on your audio device and select the Update driver. Then choose Browse My Computer for driver software and select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. From the list, choose High Definition Audio Device and click Next. Press Yes to confirm the selection. Once done, close the window and restart your computer to apply the changes. If that didn't work, open the Start menu and type Device Manager into the search bar, then click on Device Manager. Next, expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers section and right-click your audio device. Right-click on your audio device and select Uninstall Device. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the action. Click Uninstall to proceed. This will remove the audio driver from your system. After uninstallation is complete, close the window and restart your computer. Upon restarting, Windows should automatically detect the missing driver and reinstall it, which could resolve any issues with your audio device. Before ending this video, I'd like to mention that I create high-quality, tech-related videos every day. If you enjoy my content and want to support my work, please stay tuned. I hope you found the video helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.